Right, solve 4 cos x plus 5 is equal to 4 sine squared x between 0 and 360. So we've got 4 cos x plus 5 is equal to 4 sine squared x between 0 and 360. So we've got a cos and a sine here, a sine squared here. So we're going to replace this one to make it in terms of cos. Using sine squared plus cos squared is equal to 1. Sine squared is 1 minus cos squared. So we got 4 cos x plus 5 is equal to 4, brackets 1 minus cos squared x. So we got 4 cos x plus 5 is equal to 4 minus 4 cos squared x. Right, this is a quadratic in cos squared x. We need to make this positive, so we'll write that as 4 cos squared x plus 4 cos x, and then taking 4, that's going to give us plus 1 is equal to 0. So if we did product, we're going to get 4 times 1, which is 4, and the sum is 4. We want two numbers multiplied together, we get 4, and we add the same two numbers, we get 4. That's going to leave the factor being just 2 and 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is also 4. So writing down the first term, and then splitting the middle term up into 2 cos x plus 2 cos x, and then plus 1 at the end. Okay, so we just place the middle term. Factorise by grouping. So we're going to have 2 cos x brackets 2 cos x plus 1. We're going to take out a 1. We're going to have 2 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here, if you do the process correctly here and here, we have the same thing. That can come out, but also we get another here, 2 cos x plus 1. So basically we've got a repeated root. They've got the same thing twice. So we only have to look in for 2 cos x plus 1 to be equal to 0, which means that 2 cos x is equal to minus 1. Cos x is equal to minus a half. Cos to the minus 1 of 1/2 is equal to 60 degrees. And then do your South Asian Tennis Club. But this time I want to know where cosine is negative. That's in the second and the third quadrant. So drawing in my angle at 60 degrees in the second and third quadrant, we're going to get one angles here, this orange one, which is going to be 180 minus 60, and the other one here being this purple angle, which is going to be 180 plus 60. So it's going to give two values of x, which are x is 120 or 240. We don't need to do the other root because it's the same thing. Okay, so it's been a video where you've made the variable the same and then ended up with what's known as a repeated root, and then being able to find the angles. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.